Hi there. Let's take a look at completing step 9 in the chapter 9 problem solve from MyITLab. So I need to back up and just read through step 7 and 8 first. Step 7 says the category and manufacturer should be in two separate columns. Enter the text category in I1 and then enter the text manufacturer in J1. I've already gone ahead and completed those steps. So now I'm ready for step 9, where it says, use flash fill to place the category data from column H into column I. Then we'll use flash fill to place the manufacturer data from column H into column J. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go over to my spreadsheet here. As I mentioned, I already have the labels in I1 and J1. So now I'm ready and active on I2. Before we start, let's take a look at the data in column H. So the category is what appears before the slash in column H. That's our category. Brakes, tools, paint. Then our manufacturer appears after the slash. So it's Napa, 3M, Ball Camp, and so forth. All right, so we're just going to start with the category, and I'm going to type it in column I as it appears. So uppercase and lowercase as it appears in column H. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with brakes and enter. And then I'm going to type tools. And then right here, before I finish the word tools, before I press the enter key, I can see that flash fill is invoked. Can you see it on my screen? It's very light gray, but it's there. So I know Excel is ready to accept the flash fill and fill in the remaining categories, which is great. So on my keyboard, I'll press enter and they'll all fill in. And notice they fill in accurately from column H in that uppercase, lowercase style because we typed it in that way on purpose. Okay, now manufacturer is a little bit more tricky. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, I'm going to type it as shown, uppercase and lowercase. So in J2, I'm going to type Napa, press enter. In H3, I'm going to type Napa again because that's what it is, right, from the H column. And I'm going to press enter. Next, I'm going to type 3M. Do you see how that's the manufacturer there? And then I'm also starting to notice that flash fill isn't becoming invoked. It's not becoming active. So I'm going to press enter one more time. And our instructions warn us about this, that we have to sort of force Excel to recognize the flash fill. So you'll remember this from page 512 in your book. Under the data tab in the data tools, you can turn on the flash fill command to get the rest of those manufacturers in that J column. If you have any problems or any questions, you're welcome to email me at any time.